In this video, I'm going to show you how I made $5,264 in commissions just in 1 week promoting Amazon affiliate product using YouTube Shorts. This method is perfect for beginners and I'll break it down step by step so you can start earning commissions with one of the most powerful free traffic platforms out there. First, I'll show you guys how we can find the best Amazon product that people are already searching for. Next, I'll show you how we can create short YouTube videos that drive massive traffic to your affiliate links. Next, I'll share the tools and tips I used to scale this strategy and make consistent income with Amazon affiliate marketing. If you are ready to turn YouTube Shorts into a free traffic goldmine and start earning money online with Amazon affiliate marketing, make sure to watch this video until the end and let's get started. This is my Amazon affiliate account dashboard, as you can see over here. This is Samurai, commissions and bounties over here. Okay, so first, for people who want to start making money with Amazon affiliate marketing, you guys need to create an affiliate account like this one. Okay, so it's easy and simple. All you have to do, just go to Google and search for Amazon Associate. Okay, and click on the first link like this. You will be in this page. Click on sign up and click here on create your Amazon account, and here you go. You just need to put your first and last name, your email address, your password, and your password again, and click on create your Amazon account. You guys can see the sign up process is super easy and simple. And after you finish, this will be your home page, and you should have an account like this one with Amazon affiliate marketing. Okay, so what you need to do next is you need to choose a good product that people are already searching for on YouTube, and you can start promoting those products on YouTube Shorts to earn commissions. You cannot promote any product that you like or that you think it's gonna work. You need to do research and to see which product people are searching for on YouTube. Okay, so what we will do is we will go to YouTube. Okay, go and open your YouTube account like this. Why we use YouTube? YouTube is the best traffic source for me, and you should know that YouTube has a lot of traffic, billions of traffic. You guys can see YouTube has 29 billion monthly visitors. That's a big number. You should know that YouTube is the second largest search engine after Google. Google is number one, YouTube is number two, and people are using YouTube to search for products, to search for services, to search for topics, and so much more. Okay, open your YouTube anyway. Open your YouTube account like this. You don't know the potential of YouTube. If you start focusing on YouTube and you use YouTube to promote your affiliate links, you can make so much money if you are doing it correctly, of course. Okay, so open your YouTube channel like this. Click. We will use YouTube search bar. I will click on the search. I will ask how to, let's say, how to fix poster, for example, and here you go. I ask just questions, just put any question here, and YouTube will give you report search prediction. That what will give you the topics that people are searching for. And this is a big problem that people having, and they want a product or solution that can help them fix this problem. It's a big problem that millions of people has. Okay, how to fix poster for men, how to fix poster for women. So what I will do, I will go to Amazon. Okay, and I will click here, go and open Amazon account like this. I will click on the search and I will search for poster corrector for women. Okay, I'm gonna choose this one. So I will search for products related to the topics that people are searching for to find solution, and this product will be the perfect solution for this audience who search for how to fix posture for women. Okay, this product will help them fix this problem. Okay, and you can make so much money with this one if you are choosing products that are solving a big problem for people. They will pay you so much money. Okay, and you can make so much money. They will buy. Just give them a good solution, good product that will help them solve this problem. Okay, search for posture corrector for women and scroll down, and here you go. You will find a lot of product here on Amazon. What you need to do next is you need to choose good one. How you can choose good products? Always make sure to choose product that got at least 1000 over 1000 sales in the past month, like this one. Okay, at least over 1000 sales in the past month, meaning this product is good. Or this, or you guys can see even this one is perfect. Okay, over 10,000 people paid for this one in the past month. This one is good. You see how many people has this problem? Millions. I said millions of people has this problem and they want to fix this problem. Okay, I will scroll down and they will see if I can find good one here. For example, I'm going to choose this one. This one is bestseller. Over 9,000 people paid for this one in the past month. This is the type of product that will make you so much money with Amazon affiliate marketing. I'm gonna choose this one, guys. I will click on this product like this. Just click on the product that you choose and you will be directly in this Amazon product page. You guys can see here. We scroll down. If we scroll down, we have here videos. I will click on videos like this. Just click on videos and here you go. You will find a lot of videos here on this Amazon product page. Okay, see this? We have a lot of videos here. So what you need to do next, we need to choose good video here. So we have a lot of videos. We have this one here. You see this one? Go over here to. I'm going to show you this posture corrector by FitGeno. I got this for my daughter. We have people here sharing their opinion and sharing their experience with this product, and this product help them and they are happy with the results. Okay, they are happy with this. You guys can select this one, put here 5-star, happy with this product, help him to fix this problem. Let's check this one here. We have another one here. You see, I will click here on show more to see. Let me see if I can find some good ones here. Okay, let me check this one. I was gifted this posture corrector. I have tried some others out, and this one. You guys can see, you have a lot of videos here that we will use to promote this Amazon affiliate product on YouTube Shorts. So what we will do, let me show you. You need to install this extension to your laptop so you can start downloading those videos to your laptop. So what you will do, click here on this 3 points, okay, and go to extensions. Let me see over here and click on visit Chrome Web Store and install this extension into your laptop, into your Google Chrome. This one, Amazon Video Downloader. This one, okay. You guys can take screenshot or save the name. After you do that, you just need to click on your extension here, and here you go. You will find a lot of videos here that you can use. Okay, you can download. So we have a lot of videos. I'm gonna choose, for example, I will click on this one. I will click on download like this. Click on download and you will be directly in this Amazon Video Downloader. Okay, and here you go. You have the video here. Click on download video and the video will be downloading to your laptop. You see this? Super easy and simple. What you will do next, you will go to Google and you will search for Canva. Okay, open an account with Canva. It's for free. It's super easy. Click here on video. Just click on video and click on the search and search for YouTube Shorts. Okay, and click on this option here. Click on this one, YouTube Shorts, and you will be directly in this page. Click over here on upload. Okay, click on upload and click on upload file and upload the video that you download from Amazon. Okay, I'm gonna upload the video. Let me find the video here. This is my video that I will use. I will click on open and here you go. Your video will be uploaded to Canva. Click on posture correct. We have the video here. I will click on this 3 points and click on set video as background, and here you go. Click over here on text and scroll down and choose which text style you want to use. Just make sure to use good one that looks clear and good. I'm going to use this one here. Just click on any text style that you want to use I will delete this one and I will decrease the font size of this text and I will put this text here and I will double click and I will write here check link in my bio. We will put our Amazon affiliate link in our YouTube bio and I will show you where you need to put your affiliate link. So let me just put this one here, okay, like this, and I will click here on elements. And what you will do next, you need to click over here on shape, choose this one here and click on color and choose black color and put this, okay, put this shape behind your text like this. And here you go. Let's check the video now. Let me see.
I was gifted this posture corrector. I have tried some others out, and this one is so much easier to put on. So you put those straps on like you would a backpack. You take the waistband, Velcro that shut, and then there are two Velcro.
You see, this customer is happy with the result. He's explaining how people can use this product to fix this problem that they are facing about fixed posture for women. Okay, I will click here on share and I will click on download and the video will be downloaded into my laptop. What I will do next, I will go back to YouTube and I will create a YouTube channel and I will use this title. I will upload this short video and I will use this title, how to fix posture for women. Okay, and you just need to upload the video. Just open your YouTube channel, click here on your profile picture and go to YouTube Studio and you will be directly in this page. Click on upload videos and upload your YouTube short video. Okay, and when you will upload your YouTube short video, you can't also, of course you can't put your affiliate link in your YouTube short description. Short, you can't put affiliate links on description or in the comments, but for long videos you can put your affiliate link in the comments and in your description. So for shorts, what we will do, you go to your YouTube Studio, you have dashboard, scroll down, go to customization like this. Okay, click on customization and scroll down until you see links. Okay, and here you go, you should see this one, links. I'm gonna delete this one to show you. You should see links. Click on add link, just click on add link like this, and I'm gonna put, for example, here, let's write here welcome, for example, and here you need to put your affiliate link. So go back to this Amazon product page, you see this. So to get an affiliate link for this product that people will use and for you, you can earn commission, just click here on get link. Okay, and you should already have an Amazon affiliate account, so you can start seeing like this bar, influencer and associate site Stripe. This is your Amazon affiliate link. Copy this link, go back to your YouTube channel, put your affiliate link here. If you want to promote a lot of products, of course you will need to create an Amazon affiliate website that you can use and put all your products inside this website and put your website link here. Okay, so after you finish, click on publish. I'm giving you the idea, then you can go and improve this idea. And here you go, if we go to the channel, we will find that our Amazon affiliate link was published and was in our YouTube description. Okay, let me show you. So you can, here you go, you see this, let me show you. Okay, if we click here on more, let's click on more to show you, and here you go, do you see this? This is our Amazon affiliate link. So people who are searching for how to fix this problem, they will watch your YouTube short video and they will click here, and we are targeting audience who has this problem. Your audience is already exists, it's already on YouTube. You have already audience searching for how to fix this, how to fix posture for women. It's already on YouTube. You just need to give them the product that will solve this problem for them, and for you, you will earn commissions, and that's it. Do you see? They will be directly in this Amazon product page. If they scroll down and click on buy now and they buy this product from you, you will earn commission. I have uploaded a lot of short videos and a lot of my videos, some videos that got over 1 million views. They made me over $2,000 with Amazon affiliate commissions. Okay, free traffic, just free traffic. The videos, the shorts go viral. You don't need any subscribers. Just post good videos and they will go viral. They will go and they will get views, and those views will turn into clicks, and clicks into commissions. That's how this business works. Okay? If you are serious about making money online through affiliate marketing, I want to personally invite you to join my exclusive course. I have created a step-by-step guide that show you exactly how I'm making over $15,000 every single month with affiliate marketing using platforms like YouTube and Instagram, TikTok, Pinterest, and so much more. Okay? It's the exact system I use to generate consistent income, and I'm sharing all my secrets with you. If you are interested, feel free to reach out to me in my email address and I will get back to you. I will put my email address in my description. Feel free, if you are serious and you want to take this business seriously, you can reach out to me and let's make 2025 your most profitable year. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any question, leave it in the comments. See you in my next videos.